Hi, so I welcome you all to the hack series where we take a particular subject and try to find out tips, tricks and techniques which help us clear the exam with flying colors. So the paper that we will be decoding today is your tax paper. Okay, now tax is one of the most difficult or thought over as the most difficult subject, and therefore this hack series is the most important. So I have a few hacks which if you follow, you will definitely clear and even increase your marks and get an exemption. So let's begin with the hack series. So the very first hack, okay, is also, I know everything, how difficult your tax paper is, how scared you get during exams. So this is the first hack. Okay, you will find, will take off your burden immediately. Your hack one is, remember, your GST and Customs, okay, cover approximately 40 marks in your exams and 40 to 50 marks. What you can do is study this so well, since it's very simple. I have given you access, I've taken the marathons, I've taken the sums, I've taken the customs marathon, all links I will share. And remember, since you're putting all your eggs in one basket, out of 40 to 50 marks, you should get maximum marks. So you should get 35-40 anyhow. If you get 35-40, you know that in the balance direct tax, you will easily be able to pull off and get at least clearing marks. Okay. So first objective to get exemption is to first crack and clear the exams. Okay. So just before entering in the exam hall, revise your GST and Customs like your life depends on it. Okay, you should see all the amendments. Amendment sheet is shared with you all. I will share it again in the WhatsApp and Telegram groups. This is it. It wouldn't take more than 3 hours to complete this entire thing, since you've already studied this before, and with the marathon is just an icing on the cake. So then now once we are done with 30 marks in our pocket, 30 to 40 marks, I'm sure you will be able to score from here. Then what? What is the next hack? So the second hack is about income tax act. Okay, now in income tax act, remember one thing, you should know the important chapters. Your income tax will come for around 50 to 60 marks in your paper. So now from that 50-60 to clear, you just require 20 marks, and from the 30 marks you've got in your GST, 20 marks here is more than enough to clear the paper. Beyond that, it's obviously a add-on and always welcome. Okay, so remember, the 5 heads will definitely come for 25 marks in your paper. Next, what you can do is clubbing of incomes, set off, carry forward. It comes for 5 to 8 marks in your paper. And your basic concepts is a giveaway by ICSI to all of you all, where they ask very basic questions. So your job is to study these 3 topics extremely well and be ready. So then you're almost, I could say, your direct tax is done. If also you want to add in one more chapter just to see it, you can look at deductions. Okay, once you do this, I'll just add it up also. So this is also something which is a sure short giveaway by ICSI. So I've given out, and this deductions can also come for around 3 to 4 marks in your exams. So focusing on this gives you a majority of your direct tax portion gets over. Now, what is the third hack then? Now remember, the third hack and the next hacks which I'm going to tell you is strategic hacks, which is very important for you to clear your exams. So remember, the Income Tax Act is vast as the ocean. Okay, so stick to what you know. No need to study new things right before the exams. Obviously, you must have studied, you have your notes, you have what you've already touched upon. Do those. Okay, stick to what you know. Revise it continuously. So the objective is not to know everything. The objective here is objective is not to revise everything before the exam. That's not the objective. The objective is to know few things, but so well that you know that you will get full marks. Like I told you in your direct tax where to focus. That's enough to clear your exams with flying colors. Be smart and tactful. Okay, this paper also requires you to play smart, play mindfully and clear these exams. Now the fourth hack is what will be elaborating more on what I'm saying. This is the most important hack. Okay, most important hack, that if you don't know this hack, okay, even with a person with exams with knowledge will not clear. So fourth hack is the most important hack, is because I know as a student direct tax, this is the most important hack. Okay, is your confidence and self-awareness. So when I say what, see, GST and customs you're going to do 100% because all your eggs are in one basket. For direct tax, choose, as I told you, which all topics you will be doing. Do it thoroughly, that listen, if I have done income from other sources, any question from income from other sources, I will be good. So the objective is to narrow down and perfection of selected important topics. Next is, remember, confidence is the key. I want you to be extremely confident, self-aware, that listen, these all things I know, these all things I'm leaving, these all things I won't be able to revise. Be aware of that. If you made your notes, stick to those and be confident that yes, trust your preparations and that this is enough to get me an exemption. GST, customs, perfect. Direct tax, stick to what you know. Don't read new stuff. Revise as much as you've studied earlier. I've told you the chapters which you will flip through. Again, I think a span of 4 hours is more than enough. Give yourself time that this head I have to finish in these many hours. This 5 heads are there. You know, and I think the income from house property, income from other sources, it's extremely simple and scoring. Clubbing, set off, carry forward, deduction, just go through those chapters which I have told you and you're good. And trust yourself, walk, look up and be confident that yes, I know what I'm doing. This is it, and from this what knowledge I have, I'm going to clear the paper. So this is it, and don't worry, I'm going to give you one more thing which will ensure that all of you all clear the exam, and that is my best wishes and my prayers with y'all. And now y'all are going to fight from the hacks that I have told you. Wish you all the very best. Be smart and remember what all I have told you. Stick to that. Carry a calci. Time yourself. Most important. Take care, guys. All the best.